Well, it is a beautiful Saturday in lovely South Florida, and we are pulling up to our first community flea market yard sale garage sale of today. We're hitting tons of garage sales, then we're gonna hit up thrift stores. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it. So again, this is a community flea market. Oh look, tons of Nick. Should we just start at the beginning like they have DVDs, or should we just start at the end?
Yeah.
I remember, oh no, there's no trigger. Oh yeah, I guess you have to attach it.
See that ball?
Scarves. Right?
I think.
Those scarves?
Yeah.
How much are they?
$5.
$5?
That's probably what would happen to
Yeah.
I want to see how it looks.
Yeah, do you have any ones that are open just to see how big they are or no?
Those are regular stuff. Let me see. They probably have some.
Is that a buckle?
I wonder if you can use it as a chain though.
I'm pretty sure you could cut it down and add the...
Yeah.
Let me see. Damn, I think you use this. Just like do some shit on it.
Yeah. How much is this?
$2.
$2?
Hi, how are you?
Alright, I already spent $45 and I've been here for two minutes. Not even. I just bought all those bootleg scarves and that Chanel. Oh my god, it's not even focusing.
Those copies look so real, it's just unbelievable.
Was that the other one?
Yeah.
How much?
150.
Yeah, it's the same one from the last flea market. Remember she was telling us about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Two of them too.
I wish it was like a little bit smaller.
How much does she want?
I don't remember, maybe like 40 bucks.
These are
It says
sick.
this one's real.
Look at these. Fendi. That's so sick.
Yeah. That cute.
Look at that. That's so sick. That trunk.
Yeah.
To put a like a
Your butt or something.
yeah,
How much was
15.
this again?
75.
75? Oh.
Yeah, that's real.
No, yeah, that's why, yeah.
Okay, yeah, come back.
This is so sick.
I don't remember that. I remember something for like
To have it as like a little,
So I have,
Yeah.
I have a lot
but not
of
for
real.
15. Oh look, did you see the big MCM? Oh look at this Louis like inspired.
Yeah, this is the train
Sick.
place. Isn't that fabulous?
Yeah.
And then
I'm sure it's more like
Yeah, like a little tote. I love this thing. This thing's so sick.
isn't it cute?
Yeah.
This is a Fendi, just a little picture case. I'll do that for 60 if you want to. Just go.
I don't know why I remember something about 45 bucks.
No.
Alright, now that you can focus, you guys can see what I spent. I got all the scarves. There's actually a Hermes scarf. There's a Fendi. Mainly Louis, but I'll show you guys obviously later. But now we gotta continue. We probably gotta stop back at the bank so I can get more money though, because I just spent most of it. Alright, I just bought a bunch of scarves, but let's see if there's any Hermes or any nice ones in here.
Congratulations, I get to see the baby.
Women's clothes.
Yeah, it's good. You guys are beautiful.
Look how big it is.
We got Marilyn Monroe. 40 bucks. Yeah, it's pretty big too.
Like a perfect size.
Yeah, 40 bucks doesn't seem too much. Depending on like, unless it's like from Ross.
Bernard Hoggy. Bernard Hoggy.
Yeah, kind of cool. Is there a date? Thick frame. How much are the watches?
50.
50? It's really nice.
They run, I just pulled the stem out.
Yeah. Tommy Hilfiger. It's kind of cool. See this Tommy? Like a little flag on the dial.
That was pretty funny.
Yeah.
How much is this?
He wants 50 for each one?
Yeah.
That is fire.
Yeah,
What
it
is that, Caesars? No.
That one's only 10.
10.
Oh, about it.
Do you know who's on it?
No. I was going to say.
Renee something.
No,
Check it out.
This one had a bigger floor.
The Invictus in this.
I thought it was older.
Yeah, it looks like
that's
it.
how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, most Invictus look like a Rolex.
I like little watches like that.
You should have got that Gucci one, the last flea. Remember the one that was like super small?
Yeah, honestly, that's not fire.
The
It needs it.
yeah, bunch of rings too.
Are you on the porch? No.
More watches. Look at these, like diamond like bling bracelets. Plumber for President John F. Kennedy. Crazy pencils.
Here you go. This is the gentleman that you're supposed to speak to. I'll see you tomorrow.
Sunglasses.
So, what, were you supposed to come in today or something?
Chains.
Okay, I'm there Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday.
Look at his mustache.
But do come in because we're almost
That's crazy.
So if you want a space, you can come in and get it. Almost everybody here is there. Okay. What's your name? George.
Look at this key. It's like an Eiffel Tower.
Yes. That's fourth Saturday of every month.
That's great.
Chanel.
Yeah, nothing else.
Oh,
I know, I
such a
looked in it.
tease.
That's a very
Thank you. Only in Florida. See some alligators. Couple old school Star Trek toys.
Yeah.
1993. Look at these yo-yos. I don't know, what are these? What are these? Just weights?
They're called Pogs. It was a game that the kids played with in the 80s.
Huh.
These are a decorative piece. They were plastic, and they used to kind of like when you did baseball cards, you know, flip it against the walls,
Yeah.
matching it somehow. But these are more of a collector's item here. They didn't actually use them.
Yeah.
But that's what they are. They're Pogs, and I'm selling them for $2 each.
$2 each? Huh. There's a Michael Jordan one.
Oh yeah, I've seen those.
Some are superheroes, or they're good conversation.
Yeah. Just like paperweights, basically. Oh, that's so cool. Little tennis.
It's $2.
Yeah.
All these jewelry is $2.
Okay. Thank you. It's kind of cool, the Bob Marley. Casey the Sunshine Band. Oh, look at that. They're Harley Davidson rings. It's pretty sick. Harley Davidson.
God bless you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for everything.
You know, it's like it's not like a.
Yeah, it's not a good.
Yeah, you can't really do anything with it. We should get this and hit up Gary V. Gary V. Sell it to him. Jeez. Damn, that's so sick. The Looney Tune Taz. So sick. Gucci bag or Gucci purse. Authentic. Vintage.
Only 600.
Yeah. Right here.
Oh, look at these.
It's crazy.
Isn't Korean, the Korean, Japan, whatever it was?
Yeah. The Flight Club. Made in Korea.
Look at the back.
Flyers. Oh shit.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at the back.
Does it have any? I wonder if it's a reprint or if it's authentic. That's sick. Yeah.
Looks authentic.
Found this Snoopy talking clock. It's from 1974. It's just I don't know if it works though. Super corroded. Garage sale number 2 of the day. You just leave it on. The piano.
Magali, you drop the money.
The money.
Oh, garage number 2 was a fail. No good luck here. On to number 3. Alright, we were on our way to garage number 3. We had to make our daily Burger King stop for the breakfast just because we're starving, and then we're gonna head down to Miami, see what they got. The normal Saturday breakfast, we got the Burger King French toast, the hash browns, the white milk in the corner with the syrup. Now to the 3rd yard sale. Alright, so this 3rd garage sale that we're going to, on the listing it says that they have thousands of items, including men's, women's, exercise equipment, just a bunch of stuff. I don't know if it's a false advertisement, I don't know if they actually mean thousands of items, but we're gonna pull up and hopefully see. Alright, so this building is a Salvation Army building, not like a Salvation Army store. So I don't know if it's like donations that they can't sell or what, but let's find out. Women's clothes so far. Some bags. Gray tag, Nike. It's gonna be perfect for summertime. Only 50 cents too, really can't go wrong. Rainforest Cafe. Oh, actually, I low-key need a pizza cutter. Oh, so I'm getting a Tweety Bird from that one. Alright, this is sale number 4. We got some over there, we got some over here. Turn off your car this time. Keyboards. I don't know if you guys saw the episode the other day where I got this giant duffel. Guys, look how big this thing is. It's like half of this car. This thing's crazy. In the trenches right now. I'm going through a bunch. Got a nice little pile right here. Show you guys everything once I'm going through all these pile of clothes. Alright, about an hour later, you guys saw this duffel empty when we first walked in. Now look at it, completely full. I got probably 8 Carhartt jackets, a Carhartt vest, just tons of stuff, a Marmont jacket, just tons of stuff. I'll show you guys everything once I get back. I think we're gonna hit regular thrift stores now. Look like kid size though. Yeah. You gonna pick them up?
Huh?
There's only one.
Oh, that's
Oh no, they're both there.
what size is it? 4 or 5?
6.5.
Well, they're all scruffed up though.
They're $2. I don't know.
Thank you.
1 and then 2 in here. Thank you. So at this little yard sale, I got a PS3 controller and 2 North Face fleece for $3. So $1 each. This red and black one's so nice. But again, I'm gonna show you guys everything once I get back to the house, but that's crazy, $1 for North Face. Well, we are pulling up to the first Goodwill of today. We've honestly had major success throughout the yard sales and all the little hole-in-the-wall places, but now we're actually going to a legit Goodwill. Let's see what they got sitting here. Levi's denim jacket so far, size large. Has a little spot, but not too bad. Patrick Ewings. Just looking at these, the Vans. Oh, these are the Van Dorns.
23s.
Oh, Jordans. Damn, why these are my size? Kind of beat though. Maybe if I throw them on the wash, but even so, how much do they want? $6? I don't know. $6. School was kind of dry, but we did find this 2XL polo spell out in like the pale yellow. Found this DGK, peeing on the haters. New age Nike little challenge court logo with like the tie-dye. And then this pretty sick Puma like iridescent short sleeve hooded jacket, I guess you could say, with the Puma iridescent. Almost reminds me of like the surf style with like the same iridescent purplish. Then off this new rolling rack in the back, we just found this made in USA, Disney, 20 magical years. Love the colors, and it's a 2XL too, and a couple people asked me to get bigger sizes just because it's hard to find stuff in their size. Find Pendleton here and there, but I've never found a Pendleton brand new with the tags. Look at that, made in USA virgin wool Pendleton like sweater. Again, off the rolling rack, got this made in USA Canes jersey, number 24. Quick lunch break, we had to get the usual Panda Express noodles with orange chicken. Well, today was definitely a successful day, and to be honest, I don't even have enough time to show you guys everything that I do. So make sure you guys come back for tomorrow's vlog. I will be starting off the vlog showing you guys everything that I got for today, but you can also just check link down below, emcvlogs.com. Everything that I showed you, plus 100 other items, is for sale, link down below. Every purchase does help support these daily videos, so I really appreciate every single one of you guys. And just to give you guys a kind of example, like I said, this duffel is completely full, basically. It is so, it's just ridiculous. We got so much stuff today. Like I said, tomorrow I will start off the video for it. But if I showed it today, it would honestly be about a 30-minute video, and I just don't want to do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's little thrift adventures, yard sale, etc. like that. If you did, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you guys check out link down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog at 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.